Unboxing the Icy Breeze portable air conditioner. This is the actual unit. Hold on a second. Okay, this is the actual unit. Icy Breeze. Icy Breeze Pro. This is going to be where the airflow comes. You put your battery, goes right here. Also, it has power button, it has a USB and the wall outlet power. Screen cool. Okay. Comes with a water jug for freeze. This is the part that actually condenses the ice water. Okay. Comes with battery charger one. I guess that's gonna go with. Okay, one battery. Battery number 2. So you can charge 2 batteries and have them ready to go. Oh, okay, here's the car charger, 12-volt car. So you can plug it into your car, cigarette lighter, and run it off of there. Okay, that goes with it. This comes with the wall adapter. So you can run it out the wall, you can run it out of a 12-volt cigarette lighter, or you can run it from the wall. Actually, it comes with 2 chargers, so that's a plus. Remember, I got this from Ollie's for $79. Good deal. The battery in there. And I think this is, what is this? I'm not sure what that is. I think that's the, I have to read the instructions and see exactly what that is. I know it boils into the top. Okay, we'll check on that one. But extra tube, extendo tube, let's see. Of course, an extendo tube, that can come in very handy. Also comes with a splitter. I guess if you got 2 or 3 people and they all want to fill some air, well, 2 people since you got 2 tubes. But, yep. So it actually comes with a pretty good amount of stuff for the price I paid for it. We're still looking for the water line. Okay, it has a minimum water field down there at the bottom. It has a minimum water field. Okay, I see that. Okay, it has a drain plug right here on the side, a handle, some wheels. Nice, sleek, black design, man. Well, I was looking at one of these last summer for like $300, but Ollie's has them. And I got a really sweet deal on this thing. Really sweet. I cannot complain at all, even if it doesn't perform as I think. I'm still very excited to have this and ready to see and put it to work. All right, we'll see y'all later.